Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, March 20th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. We are up all across the board today. Let's start off with Bitcoin, the most popular and the number one cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is at $6,248.63. This is up 16% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $137, up 16.8% from yesterday. Dash is at $66, up 10% from yesterday, and we also saw that huge climb of 25% just yesterday. And Litecoin is at $39.53, up 13% from yesterday. Make sure you watch the video we post later today discussing the top news articles in the last 24 hours. We're going to discuss why this increase happened, as well as all the news articles pertaining to this. We should see some common trends, as well as market confidence coming back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video.